Kitto, play a music.
Okay.
Kitto, change a song.
Alright, switching to another song.
Water is refreshing.
Kitto, how's the weather today?
It's light rain today, with temperatures from 6 degrees Celsius to 14 degrees Celsius.
Remind me to attend the meeting at 6 p.m.
Okay, I've added it to your to-do list and set an alarm
Kitto,
reminder.
send an email to Tom and tell him not to forget to bring the meeting materials. Send it.
All set. The email has been sent.
How far is the moon from the Earth?
Wait, moment. The moon is about 385,000 kilometers away from Earth. That's like traveling around the world 10 times.
Is there water on the moon?
Yes, there is some water on the moon, but it's mostly frozen as in dark craters.
Please help me generate a few images.
Please hold on. The image is generated. Please wait a moment. The images have been generated.